now. They're here. All the kids from the village. Hello, Rebusis. Yeah, that's all the kids here and this side, so we're waiting for the rest of the kids. Yeah, they were here. They're going to celebrate with us for your birthday, baby. And there's more coming. Just waiting. Yeah, they're here. Happy birthday! Dire po, dire, say. Happy birthday! The woman behind cooking everything. My sister, my two sisters, and my mother cooking. You cooking Maha? What is Maha? Maha the Blanca? Yeah. And my sister Rachel cutting the cabbage for sotanghon pancit. And there's the for fried chicken and some vegetable for the pancit, sotanghon pancit. Here's more, the corn. Here is the sheep.
Sama Blanca. We have a corn, set corn.
That's a Filipino delicacy. Cooked with coconut milk, sugar, and sweet corn. Maha is the Maha.
Maha Blanca.
Yummy ito your
naman yung kami.
Happy birthday, Donkey! Happy birthday! Spaghetti. Wow, yummy. Filipino spaghetti style. Sweet. Filipino sweet stock. The women behind all the cooking and rushing. They're cooking now. This is for fried chicken. This is the fish, the fry for escabeche. This is ingredients for the pancit. That's for the spaghetti. And here's more for the chicken curry. The ingredients of the chicken curry. For the pancit again. For the condiments. Ingredients for the other things. That's my cousin, my mom, cooking here. Fries, chicken. That's fried chicken. Yes. Ottoman Shopee. It's for the pancit. Then I put that here. That's my brother, sister, Rachel. So that's the dirty kitchen. They're cooking there. That's my Autumn, Bandit Autumn Shopee. So here's the other side view of my dirty kitchen. Salamat! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. That's my brother Rocky.
How are you?
Nag-video ko. Yeah, that's the... Oh, wala bagay sa ako. Ano? Pete. That's my brother-in-law and cousin. That's Ryan there. That's Daniel. Okay na lang size, ano? Kada ko ba? Diyan, ha? Pila ni ka oras, Rak? Upat, 5? Upat? Ask my brother Rocky how many hours to cook this lechon baboy. Maybe 4 hours, something like that. So I'll be right back in 4 hours. Stay tuned. Sige la. Here's the lechon. It's coming. It's cooked now. Ooh, yummy. Kaya para makaturo. Wow. Look at that. Born Ledo. From Sister Reina. Pancit. Spaghetti. Rice. Maroon. Escabeche. Corn. Maha. Fried chicken. Chicken curry. Yes. Ooh, 39. This is it. This will defend. Salute. Hi, Kai. Hi, James Dio.
Hi.
Yes, sir. Day na, kaya magkaw sa kakiro. Yeah, here are all the kids. Dito yung makagawas ha. Sige, nasa food na ganito dali. There's all the kids, all the nieces there on the side. There's all the kids here in the village. They're all here for my birthday. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
I want everybody to open their mouth. And I want everybody to dance, okay? And we're going to say happy birthday. She want my now, you want Rhea. And you want, oh.
Ate Rhea.
Rhea, okay? Now ready? Hey. All right, everybody, I want y'all to sing it now. Okay? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Here's the kids. They finished eating. I just finished giving her food. And Kishi. Yeah, they're happy faces now. They're happy. Dong, ligo-ligo na ito, Dong. Harap si Quincy. They went ice. Okay. Yes, and there's the other kids here. Gusto niyo gluto? May rice? Gusto niyo rice? Rice? Waduh, kuha ka ito gluto. Dali, dali. Yeah, we're having fun. Here is Rika. They're drinking.
Ayo tagyan eh. Kuha na ba na?
They're having fun.
Bian, di saya mau ayun si Dut.